Here's the thing with dropshipping. People often get in because they don't have money and want to make money, but they quickly find out that ads can end up costing a ton of money, and if you aren't getting conversions, it ends up being a huge waste. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a TikTok ad for your dropshipping product for free without having the product physically with you. Before we get into the video, if you like videos about winning products, dropshipping, Shopify themes, apps, and tutorials, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on. Now, let's get into the video. Okay, so my first tip is to jump on a trend. We are doing this with a $0 budget, so there will be no running ads, which means the best way to reach a lot of people quickly is to jump on a trend. Now, how do you know what's currently trending? You want to head to TikTok's Creative Center. I've posted a link in our description box for you to follow along. Then click on Inspiration, and then under Trend Discovery, click TikToks. I'd recommend keeping the trends to the last 7 days because they change quickly. Ones that happened 30 days ago are likely on their way out. Now what you want to do is take a look through a few of these and see which trend would work well for your product. Another way to see what is currently trending is to open the TikTok app and then scroll through the home page. There you will see a list of trending sounds and hashtags as well. Now let's talk about video creation. If you have a $0 budget, then you don't have the product with you. So how do you create a TikTok video when you don't actually have the product physically with you? Here are a few ideas from top performing TikTok ads. In this video here, they are using TikTok's green screen. With this filter, you can put yourself in the video with a screenshot of the product behind you. I've muted this clip for copyright reasons, but the sound clip she's using is from The Simpsons. The clip starts out with Marge saying, "But this is a real find," and then Lisa says, "Just buy it, you don't have to rationalize everything," and then Marge says, "Alright, I will buy it, it will be good for the economy." So you can do something similar by finding a clever sound clip that will work well with your product. The next type of video you can do is using product photos or a screenshot of the product on your website. So in this video, she isn't speaking, all you hear is the background music, and then the transition from photo to photo is in sync with the background music, so it works really well together. This would be a great type of video to do with songs that are currently trending. If you don't want to be in the video, you could always cut out the first part and just sync the photo transitions with the music, but make sure whatever you do, it's adding value and helping the customer. Just showing your product won't convert well. So if you sell clothing, for example, maybe piece a few photos together and do like a 5 fall outfit ideas video. If you're comfortable talking to the camera, this type of video is great. In this clip, she's defining what mindfulness means, and then she goes in to share a bit of her personal story. So by defining what mindfulness means, she's providing value to her audience, and then by being vulnerable and sharing a bit of her personal story with her audience, she's creating that connection with the viewer. At the end, she shows a screenshot of the app she's promoting. Another idea is to point to your computer screen. Now in this video, she has the product with her, but ignore that, you can do the same thing without the product in hand. The part I want to show you though is here when she's pointing to her computer screen. She's putting this product in the problem-solving category by saying it helps with sore feet, bad joints, and etc. You could easily duplicate this yourself by showing a clip of you talking to the camera, or not if you don't want to be in the video, and then pointing to your own website on your computer screen. Another type of video you could do is a reaction video. In these types of videos, you can react to a news article or other people's videos or photos or etc. So if you're a clothing store, you could be reacting to celebrity outfits, or if you sell pet supplies, you could be reacting to and rating dog Halloween costumes. Or if you're a tech company, maybe you want to react to a news article that says that the product that you sell has been named one of the top 10 must-haves for Christmas. I have one last suggestion for video creation, and that is to download and use the product photos from ALIEXPRESS. Now, I will preface this by saying that I recommend reaching out to the supplier first to ask if it's okay to use the video. The other thing I want to caution you on is that the supplier may have been given rights to use the video for themselves, but may not have the authority to give you the okay. So if you do go down this route, be cautious, do your research, because you don't want your videos to get taken down for copyright violations. If you want to do this, I have a video showing you how to download photos and videos from AliExpress that you can watch here. Now, when it comes to posting, again, we aren't running ads, so I'd recommend using hashtags. When you use a trending sound, they will automatically add in hashtags, so you can use those to appear under the trending sound. Other hashtags you can use are hashtag TikTok made me buy it and hashtag Amazon finds. I'd also recommend looking at competitor videos and using the same hashtags they are as well. My last piece of advice is to be active. Don't just post one video and sit back and wait for people to find it. Post often and post consistently. Also, find people on TikTok who are your ideal customer, follow them, comment on their videos. You can also look in their comment section and respond to questions from followers of theirs or even just heart certain comments. A word of caution though, don't waste your time commenting follow for follow or anything like that. It's unprofessional and unhelpful. When you comment, make it genuine and always provide value to the person. All right, I hope that helped you out. If it did, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.